Hey theme lovers, welcome back to the channel with another insane control center for your Xiaomi device. So if you are bored of your current control center and want a fresh premium look, then you should definitely try this brand new HyperOS 3.1 based control center on your Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco device. So without wasting any more time, let's check out this control center and see how you can install it on your Xiaomi device. First of all, let's talk about the main control center layout. And honestly, the overall design looks super clean and premium. The blur effects, rounded widgets and glass style UI give it a proper next level HyperOS vibe. Along with that, the toggle icons with their clean shape and soft color combination make the entire control center look much more modern and stylish. Now if we talk about the music shortcut panel, the overall layout looks really clean and premium. The glass style design along with the soft color combination gives the entire music widget a very modern and stylish appearance on your Xiaomi device. Coming to the notification panel, the transparent blur effect with smooth rounded corners make the entire layout look very minimal and polished. The overall UI perfectly matches the premium feel of this control center. Next, the volume control layout also looks really impressive with its clean design and a stylish icon appearance. Along with that, the soft color combination perfectly matches the overall aesthetic of the control center. And finally, the status bar icons are perfectly placed and look very clean with the overall setup. So that's all about this updated control center. Now let's see how you can install it on your Xiaomi device. And make sure to follow the process carefully, otherwise you won't get the exact same control setup. First of all, go to the pinned comment and download the themes from the given links. After downloading, open your theme store. And there you will see two new themes, Dora UVR and Poo 5. First, go to Customize Theme section, then open Status Bar and apply the theme Dora UVR. After that, come back to the theme section and apply the same theme Dora UVR as icons. Now finally go to the icons section. Then select the theme Poo 5. And that's it. Now you will get this premium control center on your Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco device. So that's it for today's video. I hope you really liked this control center. If yes, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing HyperOS themes. See you in the next video. Till then, keep customizing.